Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y20 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video on your phone Vivo Y20. First of all, on your phone, open camera and click on more button. Click on SLO option. Now start recording your video. I record this video. While recording, it be like a normal video. I stop the video and play the video that I took. Video playing in slow motion. See the action there. Action is very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video on your phone Vivo Y20. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.